Hola, this is a video with my Year 9s in mind, focusing on the responses to the question, ¿Qué prefieres? What do you prefer? Now, the key thing here is that we're looking at how to form the comparative, where you're comparing two things. You know, I like this more than that, or I like this less than that. So, let's run through some key phrases. You got, I prefer, prefiero. And then you can say the thing you prefer, such as the pool, la piscina, the beach, la playa, the station, la estación, the go-karting track, la pista de karting, the museum, el museo, the zoo, el zoo, the shopping centre, el centro comercial, the park, el parque, the aquarium, el acuario. Then you give a reason why. So you could say, for example, because it is, porque es, or since it is, ya que es, or given that it is, dado que es. And then you're going to move on to the comparison. So you can say more than, más que, or less than, menos que. So I'm going to I'll mention some of the adjectives first that you might use. So you might use adjectives like modern, moderno, luxurious, lujoso, small, pequeño, big, grande, exciting, emocionante, boring, aburrido, old, as in old-fashioned, antiguo. Now, all of those adjectives, if the thing that you're mentioning, the noun, if that's masculine, it'll be in the masculine form, and if it's feminine, it'll be in the feminine form. I'm going to put these in a sentence so that you can see how this works. So, I prefer the swimming pool because it is more modern than the museum. So, prefiero la piscina porque es más moderna que el museo. Or, I prefer the beach because it is more luxurious than the zoo. Prefiero la playa porque es más lujosa que el zoo. I prefer the park because it is bigger than the go-karting track. Prefiero el parque, since it is, ya que es más grande que la pista de karting. I prefer the aquarium because, no, I'll go for a given that. I prefer the aquarium given that it is less boring than the station. Prefiero el acuario dado que es menos aburrido que la estación.